Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Binance application first and make sure you're logged into it. From your main home screen of Binance, go and tap on Dogecoin. Once you do that, this will open up this kind of an interface. Tap on the buy button in the bottom right corner in order to buy your crypto. Now, type in the amount that you'd like to purchase and tap on the buy Doge button at the bottom of the screen. That is how you'll be able to buy Dogecoin on Binance quick and easy. Once you buy a Dogecoin, you can store or hold your Dogecoin, trade it, send it or spend it, since Binance allows you to easily transfer values around the world faster and easier. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.